Hey baby, look out here. The one this other piece is bent, this shelf. Let me get it straightened up. There you go, see that bend facing that way. It's almost off, you can see it right here. But anyway, see how down here is eat up. See that yellow piece right here? Let me show you how it sit in here like this. The chain go over this yellow piece around this tension on. This yellow piece was another piece down here too, and that piece is missing. And there's a metal here holding that yellow piece, so the chain can go around it smoother. Now let me show you. See the metal? Now this side here, the driver's side, the yellow piece is missing too, but the metal is still there, and that metal was eating up right here. See down that side? It's about to come off too. So yeah, we caught it on time, baby. All right.